Hi, today we're making delicious homemade granola. Granola is a popular breakfast item and it also makes a great snack. It consists mainly of rolled oats, but can also contain a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, as well as additional ingredients like nuts or dried fruits. Here we have a really delicious basic recipe, and to this you can add your own special combination of your dried fruits, puffed rice cereal, bits of biscuits, pretzels, chocolate bits, etc. Now granola is fine to munch on all on its own, but I love to add it on top of my plain cereal like cornflakes. It really adds flavor and crunch. First, you want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. So here we take a look at the initial ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of rolled oats. Please make sure you don't use the quick cooking variety. We're using rolled oats here. And we need a bit shy of 1/4 cup of soft light brown sugar. Of course, you can omit the sugar altogether, but I like my granola slightly sweetened. And we're also using 1/2 cup of really fresh tasting chopped almonds. So we need a medium to large mixing bowl, and to this we're going to add the rolled oats, the soft brown sugar, and the chopped almonds. Mix to combine. To this we're going to add 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, which is my favorite. Other options are honey, agave nectar, or simple syrup. Next we add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil or vegetable oil. And salt. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon here. Stir well till all the ingredients are evenly coated with the maple syrup, sugar, and oil. You can add 1/4 cup of any or a combination of the following: dried fruits of your choice, M&Ms, pretzel pieces, graham cracker pieces, other nuts like walnuts and pecans. The list goes on, so feel free to experiment. Once the combination is evenly coated, we're going to spread this into a prepared baking tray. Here I have a baking tray lined with grease-proof paper. Make sure you spread across the tray in an even layer. Place in the preheated oven and bake for 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Take the tray out every 15 minutes and stir with a fork to make sure the oats are evenly crisped. Your tasty and healthy granola is ready. Add it to your cereals or have it as an energizing snack. Make sure to check out my recipe for these delicious s'mores granola bars as well that makes use of this granola. We hope you enjoyed the quick video. Thanks for watching.